Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy XTEL token on Binance Alpha. So Binance just lists XL token on their Alpha. So if you want to buy it, I will show you how. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search X for Talex. And then as you can see, there is X on Alpha. You can click it, this one. And this is the chart. It's not looking bad. Looking good. So yeah, you can click info here in the top and we'll see the 24-hour high, low, and the volume. Oh, the volume is good, I think. More than 10 million, but it's dumb. You can also check their website and their social media. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom. Then you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to X. Also, you can choose limit order. You can put the amount here. It's up to you, like this, and you can fill the amount here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.